what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're back in the Hellcat. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, these two cars, I do not regret getting, man. Like, I am so happy I went for this car and the foreign, because I feel like the foreign's like perfect, right? Because it's fast, it actually has grip, and then this is a muscle car. Like, I like Cadillacs, you know, and stuff like that. They sound amazing, but I just love the freaking whine on this one, dude. I mean, these sound good too, bro. 6.2 liter, it sounds crazy. Bro, I'm gonna connect to my freaking steering wheel. This thing kills my battery for some reason, so I have to, like, if I don't unplug it, it kills my battery. So I'll plug it in right now. All right, the steering wheel is connected. Maybe I just connected it wrong. Maybe I didn't connect the ground right. I don't know. But I like it. It's kind of nice. It, like, gives you different modes. You can, like, temperature. Oh my gosh. Sounds freaking crazy. Dude, someone died there, like, I think like 7 years ago. I think it was a cop or something. But I just can't believe, like, people are still putting flowers there. It's just like, it's crazy how that's how fast life can go, man. I've been thinking about that a lot recently, bro. Like, life can be gone like this. It's freaking sad, dude. And some people already, bro, there's a lot of people that I bet you someone that watched the video is already gone, man, from existence. It's crazy. I think there's also another spot right here. Somebody passed away. Let me see if they still be doing. Oh, what? They haven't done it? So there's, I think there was actually a cop that actually died here. And he was like driving here, I guess, on this, and hit a tree or something. Crazy stuff, bro. So a lot of people die on the street, which is kind of crazy because it's just a smooth freaking street. I just got alignment done, and they told me my freaking brake pads are at 2 millimeters, which is freaking crazy. I have just my alignment done right now on my M5 as well. It was pretty bad. Now it's way better, and the brakes are at 7 millimeters, which is kind of crazy because I haven't changed those brake pads since I got it. So it's kind of impressive for that like, the brakes are still good. Like, I feel like I drive that M5 pretty freaking hard, and I put more miles in the M5 than this one, and I don't know, man. I guess this car is just, like, even, it's not that much heavier, you know. It's heavy, but not that much heavier. I'm also gonna order an oil catch can for this car and the M5, so I'm gonna put that on both because you can really save the life of the engine because it picks up literally all the nasty oil. Doing constant oil changes too are good, but sometimes it's just like doing both is good too. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Oh my gosh. I freaking love this thing, bro. So since I have both cars and I still work full time, you know, I'm not driving these cars for work, it does not get boring. But dude, I'm gonna be real with you guys, please invest your money. You know, I hope these cars, you know, they used to excite me when I watch them. But once you get it, it is not the same. It's still great, but you do get used to it, I'll tell you that. Holy moly. Freaking love these streets, bro. I still can't believe this car is straight pipe. Especially where I live, like in Cali, dude, it's freaking crazy. I'm just so thankful the cops here are actually awesome. Woo! Gosh, I love the way this car shifts. It low-key shifts kind of better than the M5, I'm gonna be real with you. Thank you guys for all the support, man. We're getting consistent views again. Hellcat video is one of them. I think like the second video of the most recent is already at 5K views. Like, come on, bro. I love it, man. I love it. I just hope I can keep going. I just think there's big things going on. Next video when I do my brakes. Oh, I'm also ordering brakes soon. Obviously not right now. For the Hellcat, I'm gonna do that today. But soon I'll be filming videos at a shop. So I don't want to say too much about it because I kind of want to protect myself. You know, I'm putting a lot of money in different places. I want to be open about it, but I'm honestly I'd rather play it safe. The good things that things are not under my name. I have LLCs for things, which is like, dude, OP. Such a good way to protect yourself. Like, there's no trace for me. So when people say like, oh, like your name's not on it, it's like, yeah, bro, I never will put my name on things. That's why I need to get these freaking cars off my names. Put it under an LLC. Oh my gosh. Soon I'm gonna get a little simple lift where I could go like 4 feet in the air. And I'm gonna start doing like trans oil, diff oil. Cause I'm pushing these cars, you know, as long as you do oil changes, bro, it'll save these freaking cars. Like, I work with such expensive machinery, and people that don't do oil, like, there's definitely machines that last like 7 years without doing oil. But I'm gonna tell you right now, bro, once things go bad, everything goes bad. So when something's supposed to be like 1,800, let's say for example something costs like 2K a day to clean, right? And you have to do it every 6 months. You're doing that will literally save you over like 50 grand because the whole machine's gonna go to trash. I've seen it. Woo! Sometimes those cops just posted up over here, so I need to chill. This car has way too much torque. Literally my whole freaking body's just shaking every time I'm gassing it. I feel like the M5 is like way more steady, which is nice. It's like a balance, you know, there's a good balance. Dude, the wet, look bro, it looks like freaking Minecraft clouds over here. It looks so lit right now. I love this freaking weather. I love when it's cloudy, it's not just full, because sometimes, dude, when it's just sun, it's like kind of just misty, so you can barely see anything. But right now, this lighting's crazy. All right, what's up, boys? Doing a little nighttime POV. I didn't record enough for the Hellcat, so we'll do a little nighttime. Woo! Dude, I can't get over these cars. V8 4 and V8 muscle. All that's next is getting like V10 or V10 freaking Italy, bro. V10 Italian, bro. That's what I want next, bro. Like, imagine a V10, bro. Like, I'm like thinking right now, like, I don't want to sell the Hellcat. I don't want to sell the M5. And, you know, I've been thinking to myself, like, man, you know, I should stop wasting my money, you know, because I can, you know, on insurances, you know, there's insurance, there's interest, you know, gas, there's so much, it's a big liability. But I shouldn't be, like, if I want to keep the car, that shouldn't be the question. The question shouldn't be like, how much money am I going to save if I sell it? The question should be, how can I make more freaking money? So, dude, we got things planned. Like I said, everything that I've been telling you guys for the past 2 years, is happening right now. This was the year. I sent it. I literally quit my job 2 months ago. I do not work full time at that one company. They literally taught me everything, which, you know, I'm grateful for them. It's just a crazy transition that I don't work full time for someone anymore. It's such a weird feeling, like knowing that it's not secured, you know. So it actually makes me work even harder now. My goal for the next couple months is to buy a machine. My goal is to go all out too, because it's for the business, so it's worth it. But I'm trying to buy one of the best machines that I also know how to work on them. So I'm gonna be saving so much money on maintenance and repairs. So I'm freaking hyped about that. But I just can't wait to start making videos on like me making car parts. Like, my goal is to start making, like, if I could, pistons, like everything that I can do with the machine, because I know sometimes there's some deep holes that, oh, there's a cop right there. Oof. He's not looking right now, but he will be once he hears this freaking car. Start closing the valves. So I love these, bro. I love these valves. Yeah. Open them back up. Let's go. This is the street. Love when it claps, bro. Sounds good. But I just can't wait to start making things. I think making wheels could be the best part, because, bro, these companies charge a hefty price, mostly because these machines cost a lot of money. But I'm gonna start trying to do things in house, and maybe I can even start selling things like on Instagram and something for fun. But my goal, I'm getting 5-axis machines, so literally, like, most people make rims with freaking Haas's, which are 3-axis machines. Bro, most basic, cheapest machines. And it's the only 3-axis. I'm getting freaking the best and 5-axis. So just imagine, bro, you can literally make the best rims because you can get to spots that 3-axis machines can't get to. So I'm hyped. Oh my gosh, I love it. I freaking love that noise, dude. Oh my, yo, dude, it's clapping crazy right now. Dude, why Why is it sounding so crazy right now? It must be this freaking street. This is literally the most perfect street ever, bro. I'm so happy where I live. And at nighttime, bro, there's like no traffic. During the day, it's getting pretty bad. I'm gonna be real with you right now. During the day, it's getting really bad. Okay, it's clapping crazy right now. Hope you guys enjoy this video, man. You guys are gonna see a lot of change next year. Like I've been saying, bro. I've been saying it for the past 2 freaking years since I started this channel. And yeah, bro, everything I spoke now put into action. It's going perfect. It's going, you know, this thing about business, bro. There's always gonna be ups and downs, good and bad days. But the difference is that there's actually opportunity, right? There's gonna be really good days because of that opportunity, that door you open for yourself. So I'm hyped, man. It's hard. Definitely don't start a business if you don't know anything. You gotta know elite. You gotta go to customers, and customers. You bet before you start your own thing, you better hear customers saying, "You're the first guy I want to hire." Every time there's a service call, I want you on the list. Once I start hearing stuff like that, bro, that's it. I was like, you know what? I need to send it. I don't know what am I still doing? What am I waiting for? You know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.